We are pleased to show you the 2018 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof, remote start, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.